Hey, this is D Revolution. This channel, please subscribe to this channel. This channel is for writers and future self-published authors. Well, you don't even have to be a self-published author, but if you're interested in storytelling, this is a channel to be a part of. I've written 4 screenplays, 3 books, and I've recorded 3 poetry CDs. I've been studying storytelling for 30 years. So in this video, I'm going to talk about where stories come from and what's the point of the story, and and the lot the logic with stories. So a lot of times when people think about writing a book or writing a story, they have an idea. Where does the idea come from? The ideas come from everyday life. Give you an example. If I'm in the grocery store and I see a woman in there and she's in a wheelchair and she has 2 young kids with her, I would think like, wow, that'd be an interesting story. That's a great idea. Now, I have the idea. Now, what's the logic? The foundation logic would be, okay, it's difficult for her. I will write a story about never giving up. The story will be about never giving up. And many human beings can relate to that. It doesn't have to be a person in a wheelchair. Anybody who reads that can relate to not giving up and continue to try. Obviously, this woman in the store, she's not giving up. She has to, or she don't have a choice. She has 2 kids and she's in a wheelchair. So I would take that angle. I get the idea, and then I would take that logical angle to make the story. And so when you write a story, it you have to have an angle. Give you another example of not having that angle. So I'm a huge Spike Lee fan, and maybe a year or 2 ago I watched his movie called The Five Bloods. Really, really good film. Very good film. Good acting and everything. But after I looked at the film and I enjoyed it, I did ask myself, what was the point he was trying to make, or what was the point of shooting this film? What was the niche behind it? Now, when I watched Tom Ford's film Nocturnal Animals, I got the point of that film. I received the message. Not only was it a good story, but I received the message. And to me, both films were good, but one had logic behind it, and one was just an idea. That somebody said, "Oh, I mean, we have ideas all day, every day," and so the point I'm trying to make is that stories come from ideas, but the story shouldn't just stay an idea. It should become a movement, a journey of some sort with some logical point behind it. And that is what's going to separate you from the other writers. If you approach every story like that and you deal with every story with some type of logical foundation, with an idea that you may have gotten when you was at the laundromat or wherever you are. Because ideas, you could be driving down the street and see a homeless man and get an idea of a story. But it's up to you to put that story together with human relatability. That you'll always win with that touch when it comes to storytelling. I'm D Revolution. I need you to like and subscribe to my page. I need subscribers, and I want you to press the like button so others can get this video. If you know any writers, uh, send them my way. This is the Writer Circle. You guys have a great day.